You've seen how Abdi arrived in America with only $200 and enormous hope. But what happened after his first viral video? In part 2, everything changes: sponsorships, success, and the moment he brings his family to America. Continue the journey. Watch this part 2 of his story now. His subscriber count jumped from 15,000 to 200,000 in 1 month. With 200,000 subscribers, Abdi started making real money from YouTube. The platform pays content creators based on views and engagement. Abdi was earning about $3,000 per month from ad revenue alone. But the money wasn't just from ads. Brands started reaching out. Companies that made delivery bags, bicycle accessories, and winter clothing wanted to sponsor his videos. He earned another $2,000 per month from brand partnerships. Abdi was now making $5,000 monthly from YouTube. That was more than he made from food delivery, and he didn't have to freeze in Minnesota winters anymore. But Abdi didn't quit delivery work immediately. He knew his audience loved watching his delivery experiences. That was his niche. That was his unique content. Instead, he reduced his delivery hours. He worked 4 days a week delivering food and 3 days a week creating content, editing videos, and engaging with his audience. He invested in better equipment, a good camera, a microphone, lighting. His production quality improved dramatically. His channel continued growing. 300,000 subscribers, 500,000, 800,000. 1 year after posting his first video, Abdi reached 1 million subscribers. YouTube sent him a Gold Play Button award. He recorded an emotional video showing the moment he received it. 1 year ago, I was just a delivery rider trying to survive, he said in the video, tears in his eyes. Today, I'm a content creator with 1 million people who care about my story. This is bigger than me. This is for every immigrant, every person working hard in the gig economy, every dreamer who thinks nobody sees them. I see you. Keep going. That video got 10 million views. Today, Abdi has over 2 million subscribers. He makes between $15,000 and $20,000 per month from YouTube, sponsorships, and merchandise. He sells branded clothing with phrases like delivering dreams and hustle authentically. He no longer delivers food full-time. But twice a month, he does delivery shifts just to stay connected to his roots and create content that his audience loves. Last year, Abdi brought his entire family from Somalia to Minneapolis. He bought his parents a house. He started a small fund to help other Somalian immigrants get bicycles and phones so they can work in the gig economy. He also started teaching digital storytelling workshops for immigrants. Everyone has a story worth sharing, he tells them. Your perspective is valuable. Your experience matters. Don't wait for permission. Just start. The delivery rider who nobody noticed is now inspiring millions of people around the world. Abdi proves that you don't need fancy equipment or a big budget to create meaningful content. You just need authenticity, consistency, and the courage to share your truth. Sometimes your biggest asset is simply being yourself. If you want another African story to improve your English, the next one is already waiting. Just tap one on the screen. Vocabulary Challenge. Before we go to the vocabulary list, here's a challenge for you. What does authentic mean? Think about it. Write your answer in the comments below. We'll feature the best definitions in our next video. Vocabulary list 1. Gig economy. a work system where people do short-term jobs or tasks instead of traditional full-time employment. Example, food delivery is part of the gig economy. 2. Delivery rider, a person who transports food or packages to customers, usually by bicycle or motorcycle. Example, Abdi worked as a delivery rider. 3. Content creator, a person who makes videos, articles, or other media for online platforms. Example, he became a successful content creator on YouTube. 4. Enormous, very large, huge. Example, he arrived in America with enormous hope. 5. Limited, small in amount, restricted. Example, his English was limited when he arrived. 6. Desperate, feeling hopeless and willing to do anything. Example, he was desperate to find work. 7. App, short for application, a software program on phones or computers. Example, he used delivery apps like DoorDash. 8. Numb, unable to feel anything, having no sensation. Example, his hands went numb from the cold. 9. Brutal, extremely harsh or severe. Example, the Minnesota winter was brutal. 10. Encounter, a meeting or experience with someone or something. Example, he had strange encounters with customers. 11. Unique, one of a kind, different from everything else. Example, he had a unique perspective as an immigrant. 12. Perspective, a particular way of viewing or thinking about something. Example, his immigrant perspective made his content special. 13. Mount, a device that holds something in place. Example, he bought a phone mount for his bicycle. 14. Upload, to transfer a file from your device to the internet. Example, he uploaded his video to YouTube. 15. Authentic, real and genuine, not fake or copied. Example, his content was authentic and honest. 16. Vulnerable, open about weaknesses or feelings, willing to show emotion. Example, he was vulnerable about his struggles. 17. Subscriber, a person who follows a channel or service to receive updates. Example, his subscriber count grew quickly. 18. Viral, spreading rapidly on the internet, extremely popular online. Example, his snowstorm video went viral. 19. Engagement, the level of interaction and involvement from an audience. Example, high engagement helps YouTube channels grow. 20. Ad revenue, money earned from advertisements shown on content. Example, he earned $3,000 from ad revenue. 21. Sponsor, a company that pays to have their product featured in content. Example, brands wanted to sponsor his videos. 22. Brand partnership, a business relationship where a company and creator work together. Example, he earned money from brand partnerships. 23. Niche, a specialized segment of the market, a specific area of focus. Example, delivery content was his niche. 24. Production quality, how professional and polished a video or content looks. Example, better equipment improved his production quality. 25. Merchandise, branded products sold to fans, t-shirts, hats, etc. Example, he sells merchandise with inspiring phrases. 26. Digital storytelling, using digital media to tell stories. Example, he teaches digital storytelling to immigrants. 27. Consistency, doing something regularly without stopping. Example, consistency helped his channel grow. 28. Asset, something valuable that you own or have. Example, your authentic story is your biggest asset. Digital storytelling phrases, content creator, someone who makes videos, podcasts, articles, or other media for online audiences. Abdi transformed from delivery rider to content creator. Authentic storytelling, sharing real, honest stories without pretending or exaggerating. Authentic storytelling made Abdi's channel stand out. Audience engagement, how much viewers interact with content through likes, comments, and shares. High audience engagement helped Abdi's videos get recommended by YouTube. Viral moment, when content suddenly becomes extremely popular and spreads rapidly online. The snowstorm video was Abdi's viral moment. Digital footprint, the trail of content and information you leave online. Every video added to Abdi's digital footprint and built his personal brand. That's the end of our story today. If you want another educational African story to improve your English, the next one is already waiting. Just tap one on the screen. Listen to the audio-only version on Spotify, link in description.